Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with Mars Energy. But before I get to that guys, my name is Larry and welcome back to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you are always in tune to our news videos. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that I'm going to do guys is that I'm going to explain everything in precise detail. I'm first going to show you guys how to successfully register on the app so that there is no confusion, and show you how to do anything. So right now I'm just going to show you the detailed layout of the platform, but before I get into any detail, I am going to show you guys exactly how you can register. So since I'm already logged in, I clicked on the log out, and after that guys, to register is very simple. All you need to do is add in your phone number and create a password. After you do that, you can log in, and after that you have entered the app. Now there are a lot of things to get through into this app guys. First, I'm literally going to tell you and give you the benefits of leasing solar panels to customers. So as it says here guys, you can buy solar panels, and I have solar panels myself. As you can see there guys, by my equipment I have one. So my balance right now guys is 227 rand, and today's earnings was 53 rand. So what I'm going to show you guys is how you actually make money. So when I go there guys, it says here I've made 92 rand and I can collect it. So as it says guys, I had 227. After I collect the money, it says they collect. After I press collect, it will say collection success. After I get out of that specific option guys, my balance is now 320 rand. So as you can see guys, solar panels actually makes a lot of money. If you have more solar panels, there is more money to be collected. That is the benefit of leasing solar panels to customers, and that is how you make money. But now I'm going to teach you guys how to make money by inviting your friends to actually participate in solar energy. So what you need to do guys, as it says there by your team, I currently have 0 friends. All you need to do is copy the invitation link. After you've copied the invitation link guys, you send it to someone registers, and every time they make money by leasing the solar panels, you will make a commission by doing so. That is the benefit of doing it like that. So now that I've introduced every single function guys, all you need to do, I'm going to show you how to withdraw. So let's say guys, I want to withdraw 200 rand. I write there the withdrawal amount, and after that I write my bank name, which is Capitec Bank, and after that guys, I write my name, my account, I retype it, and all of that I do, and then I click withdraw. All of the things that you just saw guys is just the information on how long it takes. It approximately takes around 24 hours to actually get the money. But before I end this video guys, I'm going to make sure that I give you guys a much more thorough paragraph of what happens. The more solar panels you have, right, the more money you make. The more friends you invite, the more money you make. I only have one solar panel that I bought for 2,500 rand. So buying that solar panel, I make around 92 rand or 50 rand per day, and I need to collect it. After I collect that guys, I can easily withdraw the money, but I just need to stack up and keep making much more money. You can continue this process more. The more money you make, the more solar panels you can buy, and the more money you can buy. I hope this was a very thorough brief video for you, and you guys have a brief knowledge and explanation of it. I will be leaving the invitation link in the description on the YouTube channel, and everything should be okay if you follow my right instructions. Thank you guys. Anyways, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Oh, and guys, before this video ends, I wanted to quickly show you about the store. One small solar panel is 60 rand, daily earnings is 2 rand. 4 smaller solar panels is about 200 rand, where you get a daily return of 6 rand. 500 rand for 9 small solar panels, you get a small return of 17 rand. 12 smaller solar panels is about 1,000, you get 35 rand. And then the one I did guys is the very good one. I did one large solar panel for 2,500 rand, and I get 92 rand every single day, which is the one you just saw me do. 4 large 5,192, and 8 large it's about 10,000, you get 555 rand every single day. Just wanted to touch up on that last topic before I end the video. Love y'all. Peace.